Hey, what's going on everyone? Today I'm going to show you guys all how to get Facebook Plus Plus and install it on your iPhone, Android, or iPad device, guys. This is working in 2019, and this is the best way I found that actually works, so you can get a working Facebook that has mods and tweaks on it. As you guys can see, here's my Facebook Plus Plus app. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys all how to do it, so watch the end of the video though, because every single step is important. So what you guys want to do first is go to the website dl.apphacks.co/Facebook Plus Plus. This is the website right here. I'm going to leave it on the screen so you guys can go ahead and check it out. dl.apphacks.co/Facebook Plus Plus. Now guys, you want to go to the website and it's going to ask you if you want to download the configuration profile. And if you're on an Android device watching this and you do this, then it's going to ask you to download the APK. So it's essentially the same thing. We're going to go ahead and click allow and go into settings. And if you go into general profiles, you're going to see Facebook Plus Plus at the top right there. Check it out, download a profile. And now we're going to click install, next, install, and everything is done, guys. But however, there's one more half of the steps that you have to do, and I'm going to show you guys the final step. Once you've done everything, you got Facebook Plus Plus, you're almost done. There's one more step you have to do. Open it up, and it's going to show this message, guys: status no injection detected. Welcome to Facebook Plus Plus. Thank you for installing the app. Tap the get started button above to begin the setup process. And yeah, guys, there's one more step you have to do that's really easy. And just click get started right here, and you're going to see this button called start injection. All you have to do right here is click it and follow the instructions on the page. It's really easy to do. They lay it all out for you, and the reason they have that is to prevent bots and spammers from using the app. So it's really good for that reason. And yeah, it honestly takes like 2 minutes, and it's for a good cause. So just do it really quick. And once you've done that, you have access to your Facebook Plus Plus app forever, pretty much, and you won't have to do this ever again. So you can have access to it once the injection has been implemented. So yeah, guys, that's all you have to do to get Facebook Plus Plus on your phone. Once it's there forever. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know down below. Please like the video, subscribe, and yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'm out. Peace.